Now, let me ask you this. I had heard, and I asked somebody about the noise complaint because that was one of our concerns. And this is the best thing I've ever heard about it. He said charge a penalty if charge a fee if they do that. Like not only is the alarm going to go off, but if you make the alarm go off, there's going to be a $250 penalty. Is that something that you guys implement? And that leads to my next question about additional sources of income than just the daily rate and how that kind of plays a factor in pricing of your property. First question about the fee for the noise, and then
So the fee for the noise, you have two options. I don't charge a fee for the noise. I just kick you out. If you don't follow the rules, you got 3 chances. You get kicked out. So
that same night or the next day?
That same night. I fucking go there and sorry about that. I go there and you're out, right? And luckily I've only had to do that twice. But yeah, you're out. And in Florida, this is why another reason why it's very important that you have that license, because each state has their own landlord-tenant rules. But when you are a vacation rental property, and I'm talking just about Florida because I don't know other states. In Florida, and this is why I tell people all the time, get the license, because you don't longer abide or fall under the landlord-tenant. You fall under hotel motel. So you can kick anybody out of your business because it's your business for any reason. You know, you don't have to go to the court, get an eviction, none of that. No, if they're a guest at your place and you have a license, you can call the police and say, hey, these person, you don't even have to give a reason, but I always tell them, hey, they violated the rules. I need them out, and show them your license, and they kick them out. Again, I've been doing this a long time. I only had to do that twice.
That's actually better than the penalty because it keeps people from I'll just pay the $250 penalty and I'll continue partying all night long and without any disregard to the neighbors or any disregard to anybody else, you know? Can you put those noise things on the outside as well too? Like, for example, if you have a house with a backyard or...
I don't do that. No, you'll get a lot of... So the noise thing, as of right now, at least the systems we have operate 24/7. So like my properties with pool, if I put them on the outside, they'll be going off during the day because people are outside in the pool, they're barbecuing. I don't care if they're making noise during the day. It's only at night that I need the noise level to be down because that's what the city ordinance states. From 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., no noise. So that's when we do it. And I agree with you 100%. I don't put a fee because they're like, okay, I'll pay it, and they'll keep partying, right?
Yeah. And then it defeats the purpose.
It defeats the purpose, right?